Hi everyone. Ever wonder what makes our gadgets so smart? Often it's tiny and special layers inside. I am working with one of these smart materials called barium titanate. It can store energy and even change shape with electricity, perfect for electronics. But making super thin and high quality layers of it can be tricky and expensive. My goal is to find a better and a cheaper way. If we succeed, it means more efficient and more powerful electronics for everyone. Think of better batteries with higher capacity or faster devices. So, how do we do it? It is a bit like advanced cooking. We start with a liquid recipe for barium titanate, but I add a special helper, a polymer. Think of adding honey to a sauce to make it smoother and spread it more evenly. This polymer helper allows us to create uniform thin films, like perfectly frosting a tiny cake. Then we bake these layers in a super hot oven to turn them into the final smart material. I have been experimenting with this recipe, changing how much polymer helper I add and baking these films at different temperatures from warm to very hot on 900 degrees Celsius, and we found that the polymer definitely helps make smoother films. And temperature is also key. At lower temperatures, we get an intermediate material, which is not desired. But around 700 degrees is the good stuff. The barium titanium films start to form. We also learned that too much polymer or too high heat can sometimes create unwanted side products. So finding that sweet spot is important for us. My results show we're on the right track. The next step is to perfect this recipe, finding the ideal amount of polymer and the best baking temperature to get pure, high quality barium titanate thin films every single time. Then we'll test how smart these films truly are. The big goal is to create a reliable, low-cost method for making these amazing materials, paving the way for even better and more efficient electronic devices. So, by mastering how to cook these tiny layers, we can make a big difference in the tech we use every day. Thank you.